Hello everyone, this is Mayuk Mazumdar and I'm back with another exciting session. So let's proceed.
Welcome to the second part of the series where I'll be introducing you to MySQL. So the first topic that we'll be covering in this session is installation. To install the MySQL, the complete guide is provided in the MySQL official documentation site. The URL is provided over here. Going to this site and following the steps mentioned over there, one can easily install MySQL in their local environment. The next topic we will be discussing is connecting and disconnecting from the MySQL server. How to use the MySQL client. MySQL is an interactive program that enables you to connect to a MySQL server, to run queries using MySQL, also to view the result of the queries. MySQL may also be used in batch modes. You can place your queries in a file beforehand, then tell MySQL to execute the contents of the file. To see a list of options provided by MySQL in the shell, you can easily type in MySQL --help. Now, to connect to the server, you will usually need to provide a MySQL username when you invoke MySQL and most likely a password. If the server runs on a machine other than the one where you log in, you will also need to specify a hostname. Once you know the proper parameters, you should be able to connect using this command: MySQL space -h space hostname space -u space user space -p. When you enter it, then you will be asked to enter the password, and once you click the password, then you will be able to log into the server. Over here, host and user represents the hostname where your MySQL server is running and the username of your MySQL account. If that works, you should see some introductory information followed by a MySQL prompt like this. Now, the MySQL prompt tells you that MySQL is ready for you to enter SQL statements. If you're logging in on the same machine that MySQL is running on, you can omit the host and simply use this command, where you will use in your shell MySQL space -u space user space -p. And once you click on enter, you will be asked to give your password, and using the correct credentials, you can easily log in to the server. If when you attempt to log in, you get an error message such as error 2002 within parentheses or within braces, HY000 can't connect to local MySQL server through socket within quotes /temp /mysql.sock, it means that the MySQL server daemon in Unix or service in Windows is not running. Some MySQL installations permit users to connect as an anonymous, unnamed user to the server running on the local host. If this is the case on your machine, you should be able to connect to the server by invoking simply MySQL without any command, just this. After you have connected successfully, you can disconnect at any time by typing the quit at the MySQL prompt. Using this command, you can disconnect from the server. So this was all about how one can connect and disconnect to your MySQL server. Looking forward to see you in the next session. Thank you. Have a great day.